Hey, what's up, everybody? This is attorney Dan Wynn here again, and I want to talk a little bit about actually how to file a trademark. And so I want to show you the website that we use to file for our trademarks for our clients. You can still do it on paper. It does cost more. I would say the vast majority of trademarks are filed online. And so there's a new requirement here. If you are a foreign domiciled applicant, you do need a U.S. licensed attorney. And be careful, there's a lot of scams out there in this particular arena. And so just be careful if you get solicitations or anything like that. If you're not sure, reach out to a U.S. attorney and double check if it's a scam. But this is kind of the apply online page, as you see. And usually we go here to the initial forms. And depending on what we want, we'll select one of these, but we'll just tick here. And this page here is the first page, and they ask you questions. As attorney, yes. And if we have worked on the application previously, we have some saved data, we'll load it here, but not, right? And so here's the owner application, say John Doe, if it's an individual. Or John Doe. And then individual, if it's an entity, it's an individual here, but if it's entity, obviously here, if it's an individual, put country of citizenship, corporation, LLC. They'll ask you where it's located, and here you put the address, so just put in some stuff here. 123 Streets, any city, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Oh, country of incorporation, I'll just say California. All right, you can put a phone number in if you want. And here's where you put your mark. Remember, you want to do a word mark as a priority. If you got the budget, do the stylized mark as well. So we'll just do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wherever it is. If you have more disclaimers, like if need more statements, you need to disclaim any particular part of the word. You have other registrations, or the translations or transliteration, any of these other stuff. Go ahead and put them in here, but for now, we'll just put no. We'll continue. And here, here's where a lot of pre-web work comes in, depending on what goods and services you have. Do enter it here. Let me just add, we just put legal services, just for the heck of it. Happens here. Legal services, right? So right there. And so we'll go insert checked entries, all right? And so what do we do, a 1A or a 1B, all right? So maybe we just do 1A, 1B, and that's intent to use, so we'll add there. So assign the following basis, continue. And then your attorney name, so maybe Dan Wynn, whatever your name is. Then your docket number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got to put in the number here. Say we'll just pick 1. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, and then maybe 1, 2, 3 Street, and city, 4, 5. Email address, hello at whatever your email address is, and then this will check there. Good standing, yeah, this is good standing. All right, telephone number. This is usually the same information, right? And so this means this particular applications, if you want to communicate primarily by email, you check this boxes here. And one class is $225. I've heard it's going up. Don't check. And so, if you've run this on your own, just follow these instructions, check these boxes, read it, and then sign it, and pay it. So I'll just show you how. So John Doe, whatever the date is, John Doe. They say president or whatever your title is, right? So validate. Whatever's missing, right? And so here, and then next thing you go pay submit. Oops. All right, whatever. Right, and then you just go here and pay, and That's kind of the technical process. Again, a lot of the work comes beforehand, right? How do you strategize this particular application? Do we do a word mark? Do we do a logo or stylized mark? What goods and services do again? So a lot of the work does come before actually filling this out. But I wanted to show you kind of after all that work, what goes into submitting the application. Okay, hope that's been helpful. This is Dan Nguyen. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or grab my book, Making Your Mark, Trademark Book for Entrepreneurs at mytmbook.com. Free, just play shipping, and I'll get out to you right away. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.